Welcome to a new lesson today. Here you can see I have a data where I have name and numbers both in the name column. What I want numbers to be separated from this column name. If you try to do it manually, then it would be a difficult task for you if you have a big data. So how will you be able to do it in a very quickly? So I'll tell you how we can do this in a very short time. Alright, manually it's a big task. What if I start writing like this 117927, then I'll go down 12542 like this. So it will be a very hectic thing to do. So let me show you how you can do this easily with the help of very simple, not formula, you can say formula also. With the help of this, let me delete this first. What you can do first, do one thing, just sign equal to sign, then select the number. I have selected a number. Simply what do you need to do? Simply you need to use this sign, multiply sign. It's in the keyboard right side. Then multiply by 1. This is very simple. See, now see the magic. What happens? Either you can double click or you can drag down. Alright, so it's better to double click here and let's see what happens. Now you can see our numbers are separated. What we did, we simply just selected this data equal to sign, then multiply by 1. So what it did, it skipped one cell. So now you can say there is a small issue over here, because what we can see, we have got the value error. So how you can remove this error, this value error? Any idea? I'll show you. It's not about value error. You can remove any error with the help of, there is a function if error. There is a formula if error. If you use if error, it will remove this error, value error, or any other error. Let me show you how you can do. To remove this error value, what we can do, there is a equal to sign, you can see. Just click in between equal to. Now type if you type once if, then you can see if error, there is a function. Just by the help of, you select if error, then click on tab. It will ask you the formula. So the formula is value we have already taken this. What it is asking now, if comma, then value, what I want from this formula. So then after value is comma, and what I want this error to be removed. So what I want, instead of this error, I want a blank space. So what I'll do, to get a blank space, you need to use this double quotes, then give one space, then again double quotes, give one, no, this thing, double quotes and single space, then double quotes, then bracket close. So this is our formula to remove this value error. Let me see it works or not. Now see, we'll do the same, double click. See what happened. If that value error got removed with the help of this formula, because we have applied this if error formula. It is used to remove the error, like we received the value error, so we have applied this if error formula, so it helped us to remove this value error. Alright, this is how we can collect the numbers from one column. You can see we have the numbers only, and there here you can see it is not looking good, because 1179 numbers are in right side and the name in left side. So how you can make everything in the middle. Just select this. It's very simple. You can see this center, then click on center, so it will make it to center. It's just a small thing. I hope you learned with this video how to collect only numbers from one column. It is very simple. You can use this formula for other things also, like we did. We skipped one line. If we would have multiplied with, here we have multiplied with 1, so it skipped one line and gave the number. If we had multiplied with 2, then it would have skipped 2 lines. So in the same way we can do our work. If we need only numbers or any type of data, you can use this. You can play around with this formula, and if you face any error, you can apply this if error. It's very simple. See, in the blank here I have in double quotes I have given nothing, so it is taken as a blank. But if I had written in the double quotes anything, then it would have given the same thing in all the blank cells. Like let me put 0 here. Now you can see it will give the 0 to in all the blank cells. See, now you can see it has given the 0. So it's all about what we have given the condition. I had given the condition only blank space and blank cell. That's why it has given only blank. Now I want again blank. So this is how you can collect numbers only separate. You can separate numbers from, like, you have data like this. What I have the data in a mixed data where I have name and numbers both. This is how you can separate numbers from the name. I hope you learned something with this video. Like this video to give a thumbs up, and like, comment and share this video with your friends so that they can also get benefit with this video. I'll come up again with the new video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.
Oh, these brothers my guys, know that they fly, know that they ride or die. Why they wanna move like that? Where you want going?